Hi everyone, let's learn a language with CHAT GPT for free. You can speak to it, it speaks back to you fast and furious, meaning this is exquisite. You're going to love this. So I staged a conversation, I even tried a mistake, I asked for a dialogue, and it's all written and spoken. So let's do it, let's go, this is so much fun.
How can CHAT GPT help me learn a language?
Vocabulary building, provide word meanings, synonyms. 2. Grammar guidance, explain English conversations, engage in practice. 4. Writing assistance, offer feedback on written exercises or help you create sentences and paragraphs.
I would like to start with conversations. For example, a conversation at the restaurant.
You begin by asking for a menu or suggesting a dish you'd like to order.
Can you tell me examples of the things I should say?
1. Asking for a menu. Excuse me, may I have the menu, please? 2. Ordering a dish. I'd like to order the dish name, please. Could I get the dish name, please, in a restaurant? 1. Food items. Appetizer, main course, dessert, starter, entree, side dish. Beverages.
Let's practice.
Imagine you're in a restaurant. Go ahead and order a dish or ask.
Can I have the menu, please?
Absolutely. Great start. Now let's continue. Once you have the menu, how about ordering a specific dish? You could say something like, I'd like to order the dish name, please. Give it a try.
If I say something wrong, can you correct me?
Absolutely.
Can you translate to Spanish? What are your recommendations?
¿Cuáles son tus recomendaciones? Driving and ordering. You. Excuse me, may I have the menu, please? Of course, here you go. I'll provide you with a partial dialogue, and you can fill in the missing expressions.
Link will be in the description. Just download the app and start the magic. See the potential of what you can do. It speaks more languages. This is all for free. Yes, you heard me right, for free. So if you like this video, do like, subscribe and hit that notification button because I want to keep on bringing you the best free tools out there for you and your projects. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye for now.